Let us start question number 4 related to potentiometer. We are given now a little complicated circuit in which two cells are connected. Two cells of EMFs E1 and E2 are connected in potentiometer circuit so as to assist each other, and null point, that means balancing point, is obtained at 7.5 meter from higher potential. So the circuit will help us to understand this type of question. We always draw what? A potentiometer wire, AB, this side an auxiliary battery, and a resistance can be there. Okay. Now here mainly the focus is on the secondary circuit where unknown EMFs are connected. So unknown EMFs are connected here on the secondary circuit. What is written? Two cells, E1 and E2. Out of that, E1 is greater, it is written. They are connected in such a manner to assist each other. Assist means they should be added. So that's why I have connected the positive terminal near the negative terminal. So positive terminal of one cell near the negative terminal of another cell. That means they will be added. Okay. Now it is written when they are connected, the null point is obtained at 7.5 meter. Okay. Now let us write the equation for it. First of all, we always write the equation E proportional to L for the potentiometer. Now what is the E here? So is it E1 plus E2 or E1 minus E2? So just now E1 plus E2 because they are assisting each other. So E1 plus E2 because positive is connected near negative. It is proportional to 7.5 meter, which is the balancing length. This is our first equation. Now another circuit we can show like this. This line. When the cell E2 is connected so as to oppose the cell E1. So E1 is like this only, like before, but E2 is opposing it. Opposing means they should be subtracted. तो subtract करने के लिए दोनों के negatives को पास में show करना है. When this type of arrangement is connected, then the new balancing length is 1.5 meter. So that means now the balancing length is 1.5 meter, which is less than the before. So now we will write this equation E1 minus E2, that means the net EMF of this side. It is balanced at 1.5 meter. So we will write here proportional to 1.5 meter. Okay. Now what is asked in the question? Compare the EMFs. So how to compare the two EMFs? That means now we have to solve this equation in such a manner that we get a ratio. Compare EMFs means generally we can give the ratio E1 upon E2 answer. Let's see how it can be done. First of all, we can remove this proportional sign. We should write here phi, that means the potential gradient. Whenever we remove this proportional sign in potentiometer, we have to write phi as a constant, proportionality constant. Okay. Now E1 minus E2, it is also equal to phi 1.5. Now what should we do so that we get the answer of E1? Suppose, first of all, let us try to get E1 answer from it. So what we can do? We can add these two equations so that E2 is getting cancelled. E1 and E1 is 2E1, and here added phi 7.5 and phi 1.5. That means 9 phi. 7.5 and 1.5 is 9. So this way we have got this first equation about 2E1. Okay. Let us get the equation about E2 now. So that same equations I am writing again. Okay, now my target is that I should get E2. So what should we do for E2? So we can subtract these two equations. Subtraction, that means we have changed the signs, here minus, here plus, here minus. E2 is getting cancelled. sorry, here we have E1 getting cancelled. E1 minus E1 cancelled. E2 plus E2, 2E2 equal to 7.55 minus 1.55. So it will become 6.5, right? This is our equation number second. Now we have not got the exact answers of E1 and E2. We have got the answers in terms of 5, but we can give comparison at least. Comparison means we can divide these two equations 1 by 2. As we do this 1 by 2, then 2E1 was 9.5 and 2E2 was 6.5. So finally, if I divide the two equations, 2 is getting cancelled here and 5 is getting cancelled here. So 9 by 6 is the ratio. 9 by 6, that means 3:2 ratio. So E1 upon E2 ratio is 3/2. This way we have got the answer in this question.